Hey, look up for a second. Why is it blue? Not pink, not green, not polka dotted. Blue. I mean, the sun is yellow, space is black. So why, every single day, do we get this? Stick with me, because the answer? It's way cooler than you think. Okay, let's start with sunlight. You probably think sunlight is yellow, right? Because the sun looks yellow. But here's the thing. Sunlight is actually all the colors mixed together. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, violet. Every single one traveling together at the same time. It's like a crowd of colorful friends all running toward Earth at once. Now, between the sun and us, there's a giant layer of air surrounding our planet. We call it the atmosphere. And that atmosphere, it's full of teeny tiny molecules. So small, you'd need a microscope just to say hello. Here's where things get interesting. When sunlight hits those tiny molecules in the air, the light doesn't just pass through, it bounces. Scientists call this scattering. Basically, the molecules knock the light in all directions, up, down, sideways, everywhere. But here's the key question. Do all colors scatter equally? Nope. Colors with shorter wavelengths, like blue and violet, they scatter the most. They bounce off molecules like crazy, all over the place. Colors with longer wavelengths, like red and orange, they mostly keep going straight. They don't bounce as much. So, blue light is literally bouncing around the entire sky in every direction. And when you look up, no matter where your eyes go, you see blue light coming at you. That's why the sky is blue. But wait, I have 2 bonus questions for you. Number 1, if blue scatters the most, why isn't the sky violet? Because violet has an even shorter wavelength than blue. Great question. Turns out, our eyes are just way better at seeing blue than violet. Our brains basically go, close enough, call it blue. And that's what we see. Number 2, why is the sunset orange and red? When the sun is setting, sunlight has to travel through way more atmosphere to reach your eyes. By then, all the blue has already scattered away. What's left? The reds, the oranges, the warm colors. And that's your sunset. Same sky, same sun, totally different colors. Just science doing its thing. So next time you look up at the sky, you'll know it's not magic. It's light, bouncing, scattering, dancing through the air before it reaches your eyes. Billions of tiny invisible bounces happening right above your head. Every single day. I think that's way more beautiful than if it was just painted blue. That's it for today's adventure. If your brain is buzzing with questions right now, good. That means it's working. Next time, we're going somewhere even bigger. The ocean. And we're asking a question that sounds simple, but the answer goes really deep. Why is the ocean salty? See you there.
Let's learn with Ori. Every question is an adventure. Ori the Paperkid. Every wonder has an answer. Every door is open wide. Come and learn with Ori. Ori the Paperkid. Ori the Paperkid.